Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, I'm back with another video about how to start a print-on-demand business, and today we're going to be talking about LuLu. I've briefly talked about LuLu on my channel when I did the journal unboxing, but I've never done an in-depth video on LuLu. Today, it's going to be either one of two videos or one of three videos. We will be signing up for an account on LuLu, and then we'll be uploading our first journal or book or whatever I decide to upload, and then we will get a sample as well. We're going to go over to LuLu's website. It is lulu.com, and here is a quick overview of the website. This is publish, print, prosper. LuLu has books, paper bags. I believe they do have spirals as well. So you can print or publish a book, learn how to publish, sell it with direct e-commerce, and you can also shop for books on LuLu. Lots of different unique ways to create your book here. They have pricing information where you can create photo books, notebooks, calendars, yearbooks, ebooks, where you can sell on LuLu, sell on your own site, or do retail distribution. They have lots of resources along with the bookstore. First, I want to just go over to the products, and then we'll go ahead and sign up. Basically, it says they over 3,000 possible format, color sizes, and combinations. Again, print book, photo book, notebook, calendar, comic book, magazine, yearbook, ebook, cookbook, different book sizes. Then it also has the variety of coil, saddle stitch, perfect bound, hardcover with dust jacket, hardcover with case wrap, and then they have the calendar wire. Also premium color to standard black and white. They also have 4 different types of paper. They have matte and glossy finish, and then also different colors for the hardcover linen wrap. Also, we have EPUB format and PDF. So the first thing you want to do is, while you are on LuLu's website, I'll go back to the beginning. You'll go over here and you're going to hit register. As always, I normally use Dear Military Spouse. That is going to be my first and last name. I am in the US, so that's the currency I'm going to use. They also have Australian, Canadian, Euro, and Pound. I am an English speaker, so I'll go ahead and put in a password. And then I'll say I'm not a robot. I've read all the terms. I can give them consent, but I don't want to get emails because I get them from my other email account. I have to go to my email and verify my email address. So we'll go over and do that. I have my email here from LuLu, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm my account. I've created an account. All right, so under account settings, you just have your account information, marketing preferences, and account type. I'm going to choose personal. If you are a publisher, or if you're a business, or this is academic, make sure you choose the right one for yourself, and then it just has account information, and that's all you need to do in the back office of LuLu. On the next video, we will go ahead and upload our first journal, book. I want to say both words because I want you guys to understand that you can upload journals as well as books here on LuLu. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see the next video of me uploading our book, our journal, to LuLu, and then the third video will be an unboxing of the actual products. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.